Unfortunately, most of the rakyat tak faham the process lah. Dia macam ni je. This whole thing emanated from the Pandora papers and the Panama papers that list out all the high profile characters that has astronomical amounts in banks, in secret banks, overseas, offshore accounts. Jadi, with this revelation, it feeds the all the allegations earlier, or the suspicions earlier of the wealth that's been amassed by all these blood-sucking predatory elites. Now, when tampuk kerajaan tukar, and you have a prime minister who declares war on corruption, and who actually brought forth the Pandora paper dulu but rejected by the speaker then, Ad Harun. So now, open up the case balik. So now what does MACC have? MACC doesn't have anything to charge people like Daim. They cannot charge somebody purely based on whatever is in the Pandora papers. Now, tapi with that, they have got reasonable reasons to now ask Daim and whoever his family members are after questioning. They have a right to question. Panggil kena datang. You dengan I, kalau kena panggil pun kita kena pergi kat MACC kalau dia panggil. With the answers, they now decide to now demand that you declare your assets. What's wrong with declaring assets? There's nothing unlawful about that. There's nothing discriminatory about that. But when you are suspected of having astronomical wealth not commensurating with whatever you earn, MACC has a right to ask. And if you are able to declare your assets, your wealth, and all that checks out, then it's a non-issue. Matter is closed. Now, if you want to refuse to do that, you got to have a good reason. Why are you refusing to do that? Don't you want to clear your name? Tapi normally when you don't want to reveal, is because you got something to hide. What is it that you have to hide? So jadi, the fact that you've been asked to declare that and you refuse to declare, therefore there's a charge. There's a charge and there's a law against that. You cannot refuse to declare and not comply. That is a 5 jail term and a 100,000 punya charge. Now, of course, people yang has already illicitly made money over the decades, they have every reason to hide lah. They don't want to buka cerita semua. Dia tak mau tunjuk dia punya harta. Dia tak mau tunjuk yang dia ada berbilion-bilion, ratus bilion. First things first, you akan kena slap for taxes. Kenapa tak bayar tax? Tax evasion dah berapa tahun dah. Masuk jail. Lepas tu, you pula dulu finance minister. So if that income were derived masa tu, then from where ada tak abuse of power? Ini semua will open a can of worms. So because of that, none of these people will want to declare assets. Mirza pun tengoklah, they will not declare. They rather go for the 5-year thing. They want to try to drag that in court. Because otherwise, kalau buka cerita, lagi teruk. Macam-macam charge will come. So MACC, based on what it is now, yang all they have now is Daim punya refusal, Daim and wife and whoever else, the kleptos, refusal to declare, and that is against the law. They've committed an offence, and kalau go to court, most probably they'll be convicted. It's a simple case, nothing for their lawyers to argue pun. Tak kena, you tak, disuruh buat, you tak buat. So when that dah on, that's not the end of it. So katakanlah masuk argue semua, kena POM 5 tahun. Okay, dah sebab 5 tahun. Daim dah 85 tahun dah. By the time case dia habis, he probably die in jail kalau dia kena masuk 5 tahun. Okay. Tapi kalau dah ada with that conviction, you got that 5 year conviction for refusing to tutup, this now can give you a warrant to now search some more. You boleh correct lagi. And your refusal to declare, eventually you'll end up having to declare that as defense kalau you are now attacked and you are now prosecuted for corruption, for graft, for bribery, for misappropriation of funds, CBT, criminal breach of trust. Semua tu kalau masuk, you will have to come to your defense. And tapi for them to frame the charge, they got to find the trail of money and trail of evidence. So this is the beginning lah. Pasal apa orang semua upset? What can MACC do now? MACC hanya ada berpandukan Pandora Papers yang they have a lot of money. How they earn the money ke apa semua tu, that one got to be substantiated with solid evidence that is watertight for prosecution to bring to court, to get the court to establish a prima facie case to even begin to start a trial, for the court to order them, the accused, to enter into defense. That first must happen. Now, they don't have anything yet, so they do with what they have now. So therefore, it begins. This is a process. Understand the process. Janganlah disappointed, tak kena pasal, tak relevant.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.